Hi, welcome to Laura's Pandora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this giant hot cocoa packet. Super easy, pretty affordable. I got two rather large pieces of paper. I think it's like 2 feet, 2.5 feet by 3 feet, and printed out an image of the hot cocoa packet that I wanted to do. Used a blue marker and some color pencils, and then I just used a long ruler and started tracing my lines of the bottom row words on the cocoa packet. Did a top line and a bottom line for making sure that all the letters are even. Traced it with a pencil and made sure the straight lines were straightly drawn with the ruler. Then went back and traced with a blue marker, Sharpie marker, and started going up towards the next line. So once I finished the light blue, I erased all the pencil marking and then started tracing the middle lines, the as much calcium as a glass of milk lines. So of course you see the two lines for the top and the bottom, and I traced the lettering, made them a little bit different and more a different font. Kind of copied the font on the picture. Then I went to the logo of the Swiss Miss packet. I started tracing it with a pencil, kind of outlining it, then went back with the blue marker, making sure that the lines were all straight, or mostly straight, and traced the mountain outline and the large lettering of Swiss Miss chocolate. Okay, then after this, I filled in the lettering and also the background with a marker, and then went back, erased all of the pencil markings that I had made, and started filling in the blue marker with a colored blue pencil that matched the blue marker. Okay, on to building the hot cocoa packet. The hot cocoa packet, super easy. I just had another extra clean white piece of paper and started making a pocket. I hot glued the bottom and the two sides. Then with another piece of paper, I folded about like 3-inch fold, so to create the roughly edges of the hot cocoa packet. So after I cut these folded pieces out, I went back and forth and folded about an inch fold back and forth. Then I didn't want it too prominent of the folding part, so I flattened it out again, but it still had the markings of. Then I hot glued this roughly edge to the two sides. All right, then the top part of the packet is a wider fold. I'd say probably 8 inches to 10 inches. So 20 inches piece of paper folded in half. Then I folded it hot dog wise a few times and hot glued it to just the top piece of paper because I want it to be like a pocket and be able to stuff things in it. And I attached it to the two sides, the two roughly sides, and I went back and folded those two sides plus the top together so it had a matching fold. Okay, on to the extra detail. I had this leftover silver fabric, and I cut out a large piece that matched the top part of the Swiss bag and hot glued. I just made 1/2 inch show above the piece of paper, and then I've tucked it into the pocket and hot glued it to the piece of paper. Then on just one side, because I feel like every packet you get of hot cocoa, it's like off-centered and shows just one side that has a little silvery, I folded another little fabric of silver in half and just had like a 1/4 inch show and hot glued it to the side of the one side of the pack. Okay, then after that, I added just another little trim, the back pieces of paper right where the pocket opens. I was worried that I was going to have paper splitting or ripping, so I just added a little silver fabric to that. And then I stuffed it full of batting. I was thinking it would be an awesome white elephant gift that I could give to friends and give like packets within packets. This is how I made this gigantic hot cocoa packet for my front porch. I hope this helps with the Christmas season and decorating and a fun, different, new idea to go on your porch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.